Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to show your area temperature on Snapchat. So first of all, you have to make sure that the Snapchat application has access to your location. To make that sure, you have to open up your iPhone setting. On your setting, you have to scroll down towards the end until you see the apps. On your apps, you have to search for Snapchat. On Snapchat, you have to click on location. Now you have to tap on always or while using the app. Once you have done that, you have to open up your Snapchat application and then take a snap. Once you take the snap, you have to click on the sticker icon that is present right besides the pen icon. On your stickers, the very second option is the temperature, so you have to click on that. Now as you can see, my temperature is being displayed on my screen, but if you want to convert it into Fahrenheit or any other format, you simply have to click on that temperature, and now as you can see, I can very easily change it to the one that I desire. So everyone, that's how you can change your area temperature on Snapchat. That's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.